Hey guys, I just want to make a video because I want to tell y'all something. So what I want to tell y'all is when I get to 200 subscribers or 150, depending on, I'm going to make a slime shop and I'm going to sell my slime on Etsy. So please go subscribe. I really want to get to 150 subscribers or 200 before the end of this year. So please, let's get to 200 subscribers June or July or August. Let's get to 150 subscribers June or April or May. So yeah. So thank you for tuning into this video. Bye guys.